there are things that are more beautiful.
Alright, so here we've installed the EnduraLast 3 charging system. It's an upgrade for the Bosch 3-phase charging system. The kit included the new diode board, the stator winding back in here, and the rotor. It also included a voltage regulator that you can't see, but it's tucked away up here in the original location, and some new cabling. The installation was pretty straightforward. Everything goes back pretty much just like stock. You've got your wires here that run up. You've got your grounds coming off the diode board. Yeah, it's all pretty much how it was from the factory stock. Alright, so once that's installed, we installed the Endurolast electronic ignition system. That included the trigger unit down here, the timing wheel that we'll use to set timing, and a ignition module that's tucked away in the back here. So where we're at, we're going to need to set timing. So we're going to put the bike in top dead center, and then we'll come back and set timing here. Here we're going to line up the OT mark, that's top dead center. And this is used for setting timing and valve adjustment. Once we get this lined up, we'll move over and adjust the timing wheel. So here at the timing wheel, we want to set this till it just cuts off. And this will be kind of a rough set until we can get the motor on and use our timing light to set it. It's got 2 set screws. Make sure you get them both tight, and you want to make sure that your wheel is center of the sensor. Since the last time we filmed on this, we took the heads off and we took them to a machine shop so we could cut the valves in. We replaced the valves with Kibble White performance valves, spring retainer, springs. That's about it. Now we're gonna set the valve clearance. For the exhaust side, we're gonna set it to 0.2 millimeters or 8 thousandths, and the intake side to 0.1 millimeter or 4 thousandths. Okay. Alright, so here we have the M unit. We just mounted that to existing holes. There used to be something there. I'm drawing a blank on what it was called. The wires come out the face on the new M units. It's easier to see, but it is kind of a pain. I liked it when it came out the side on the old versions, but it is what it is. We've got the coils mounted back into the original location. All that wiring remains the same, how it was stock. Made a little box for the battery. Kind of hides it under the gas tank here. Um, just regular. We're using the smaller Shirai battery, and that's enough for this. We've got the ignition module here. This one has different curves on the ignition. I guess we could play around with it a little bit. We left it on the second curve, and that should be good for now.